I've got a new referral that's kind of jumped to the top of my referral list. That is parents coming into my office with young adult children who are living at home drifting, or perhaps uncooperative, disrespectful, not carrying any share of the load, but freeloading off of mom and or dad. Parents are frustrated. There's arguments. Relationship is deteriorating. And the parents won't establish conditions. They won't put a timeline on when certain things have to be met or the child can't live there anymore. They won't do that. And you know the number one reason they won't? They're afraid. They're afraid of what will happen to the child. Where will he go? What will he do? I couldn't live with myself. But here's a question you have to ask yourself in those situations. As this relationship continues to get worse, things deteriorate, you find yourself at all not liking this young person you raised. The longer it goes, is it going to get better or worse? Is it going to get to the point where you're so frustrated and so angry, you're going to do something about it, you're going to kick them out and you don't care? Do you want it to get to that point? Or do you want to take decisive, thoughtful, considerate action logically before it gets to that point? Before the emotions drive you to say, get out of here, and I don't care where you go. One of the biggest, and I'm not going to call it a mistake, futile frustrations that parents get pulled into is allowing this to go on year after year after year, thinking something is going to change. Most of the time it doesn't. And most of the time the relationship gets worse. You don't want that. I'm not telling you what to do. I don't live in your home. But it's all within your right, your decision, your purview, to decide when is this young person going to have to stand on their own 2 feet, particularly if they're living in your home uncooperatively. I'm Dr. Ray.